So why do we want to have this discussion? This is a U.S. Slide, but worldwide, I think this pretty much holds today. There are a tremendous number of people in the United States and abroad who suffer from chronic pain. Of the 50 million people who experience chronic pain, 41 million experience it constantly. About 8% of the U.S. population, and it's pretty similar in other industrialized countries, and a little bit, and pretty similar in some of the developing countries as well, that about 8% have severe pain that interferes with daily activity. In the U.S. alone, we spend an enormous amount of money on our health care. And what I'm going to show you is that of all the things that we do, back pain is among the most expensive care that we give.